Alright, today I wanted to talk to you about this Eastern Regional Blend bird feed. This is by far my favorite. We attract lots and lots of birds. Even though we're not in the Eastern region, don't tell anybody, I like it best. It has a few things in it that these others don't. Sunflower seeds, millet, cracked corn, and Milo. That's in all of these. This one has cracked sunflower seeds, stripped sunflower seeds, and safflower seeds, as well as white millet, Milo, and the black sunflower seeds. So you can see, just kind of in general, it's going to attract a lot more birds. It's kind of my go-to, comparing it to the wild bird feed. And these are all essentially about the same price. So why not go with one that will attract more birds, has a little bit different and more expanded amount of feed in it. So once again, I really like this Eastern Regional feed.